The opportunity to have energetic people eager to learn allows us the capacity to do even more or do what we do a little bit better.
The nonprofits who have historically served these communities of need, when they were buckling at the knees and didn't know how they would ensure that their employees were able to stay on the payroll, here comes ConnectiCorps. What can we do to help so that from henceforth you have volunteers in place to sustain these projects and these programs should anything like this occur again? So we have 26 Corps members across the state of Connecticut, 20 different nonprofits being serviced, and they're really going in to create innovative and creative ways for these nonprofits to think about how they go about recruiting volunteers, how they're going to retain them, and better utilize them going forward.
The Urban League's mission is to focus on equity for Black Americans. Our workers have been phenomenal. They are bright and intelligent. They come up with ideas and solutions and recommendations. As a nonprofit, when so many things are unsettled, unstable, they want to make sure that there's a proper match and that you know what you're getting into so that we are informed and we have everything that we need in order to be successful.
In a short span of a week, we went from 100 volunteers a week to 0. So the goal is to find ways to maintain a strong volunteer base during any type of situation. We're going to get them involved with cooking food, prepping food, working with our guests. Giving somebody a meal is a temporary relief. But once they're here, we have the ability to talk to them and find out what really their needs are so that we can help them to eventually be financially secure or whatever it is that they need to, feel whole again as a person.
We are a food bank, initially serving Hartford and Talon counties. With the merger, we now cover the entire state of Connecticut. We served about 40 million meals worth of food last year. Before the pandemic, most of our volunteers were retirees, so understandably, when all of this happened, they were staying home, and we were at a point where we didn't have the resources. So Nikki came in and established Zoom trainings for us, and that really helped us just keep moving forward. With Nikki's help, we were able to recruit over 100 new volunteers during this time, which we couldn't have done on our own.
New Britain Roots got started 6 years ago. Right now we're in all the New Britain schools. As a small nonprofit organization, we really depend on volunteers. There's always a lot more work to be done than people to do it. So when volunteer recruitment and volunteer engagement was a clear central part of what the ConnectiCorps program helped support, then I knew it was a match. Our ConnectiCorps members have certainly been an asset to Roots.
Community Health Center, Inc. is a primary care organization offering medical, dental, and behavioral health services to underserved communities all around Connecticut. The communication between our organization and the ConnectiCorps team has been wonderful. We also never had a volunteer program here, and so they came here and are building something from the ground up. While it has come with some challenges, they're really seeing the fruits of their labor.
Treating the whole person and getting to those root causes is what happens here on a daily basis. We have so many opportunities for a ConnectiCorps member to be able to affect some change and help us. And Michael, our ConnectiCorps member, has literally saved lives.
Having someone like Michael on board to really help facilitate that, increase their ability to continue expanding and delivering services.
As a federally qualified health center, we are really established in our communities to meet the needs of the underserved. And we're really here to make it a very patient-centric healthcare delivery system. I heard about ConnectiCorps. I reached out to them, and we were lucky enough to get Tori. They really think through and listen to what our needs may be. And so to have their expertise in helping us to recruit staff was a very positive experience.
I want folks to know that this service, supporting people, it really comes from the heart.